Okay, so it's Tuesday and Ava has come back for the second day in a row. I think she enjoys it a little bit too much here. Where is she? There you go. Yesterday we got the frame stripped down as per video, I assume. We've got to do all the little bits now, as in steering head bearings, rubbers coming out of the bottom there, plastic bits off there, blah, 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 get everything stripped and ready for prep. She's also got the wheels and bearings and pulleys and discs and stuff that we've got to strip and clean up and get ready for powder coat, including the swing arm and the forks, as well as organising that little pile of parts down there into something that's a bit more recognisable. And then ultimately we're going to get Ava to strip, well, not strip, but clean up this engine, mask it up and paint it. So still got loads to do.
Wondering. It's in, but oh. So that's the funny tool. I have no idea how you call it. There's the bolt which goes in here, and then I have to beat it out. And it's out. It's very rusty, the rubber bit. Got it! Yeah, okay. The tool I was told to use, the tool I want to use. I always go for screwdrivers anyway.
Well, that's good.
Long shot. Can you remember if you could get the wire through? Is it closer?
How rusty.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like I stripped down frame completely unless I missed something. There's only lock left to remove, but I'm pretty sure Matt will do this because I have no idea. Yeah.
Don't put too much pressure. The weight is finish knocking it out?
Yes, please.
It's all fine adjusting.
Yeah, it's good. Good work. Use that. It's a rotten one, isn't it?
Flipping MacGyver. Okay. That's done. I had to drill a hole to remove the lock thing. Now I think it's time to take care of those wheels here. So I will have to remove the tires and then put that apart so that can be sent for powder coating.
impact driver.
Okay.
So you've got to hold it, twist it to your left, as in lefty-loosey, and whack it, yeah? And you should see that turn. It's turned, yeah? And then that's loose, so you can do it with the ratchet.
Okay.
Okay? Harder. Harder. Don't miss. Special tools, yeah. I think it's that one. That's it, so that goes in there.
Are we going to whack it with the hammer?
No,
No.
not yet.
Later?
Not until we put them back in. Right, that goes on there, that goes on there. Are we going to whack it with a hammer? Don't just whack everything, you know.
I know there are screwdrivers as well.
Right, so we put that in. So that's now sat with a lip behind the bearing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Making sure these standoffs are in the right place. Seat that, so that's on there. And then this thing.
Why these are having different sizes or what?
That's when you put the bearings in.
So we need 3.
Well, there's 3 different sizes.
Okay.
So yeah, when we put them back in, I'll show you.
Okay.
Then you do get to hit something with the hammer.
Yay!
Yay! I'll give it some tools. Okay, so that's sat in there like that. Then you get to go through there, that through the centre. And what that does, it opens up the teeth so it doesn't collapse in on itself.
Okay.
So you then put that
Jesus Christ. Lots of parts.
in there, that in there. Yeah, I'll do this side, you can do the other side.
So many elements to get that out.
Lemons.
It's like IKEA all over again.
Okay, so you nip that up. Doesn't need to be super tight, just needs to be nipped. Like that will do. Pull out the tools.
Is that all?
And that's to get that into place. And then
Okay.
you need to hold that with that. Get your adjustable on there. And then spin it like that, yeah? There we go.
Ooh.
There you go. And going out. Take that out. Take that. So we'll get it.
Wheels in here, and then I'll probably move to the forks, but we'll see what Matt wants me to do first. Today is a bit harder. Those bolts are very, very rusty. Removing bearings, that's hard work as well. I needed Matt's help for most of the time, and yeah, but other than that, I really enjoyed this project. That doesn't look nice.
Nope.
What? Draining second fork. Okay, very rusty. Getting there. guys, all the bits are put aside, I labeled them, but it looks like mess, and he obviously knows what he's doing. I don't. We have some in action here. Okay, I'm sure I've done something wrong because it's still moving around.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And now
So they're all in a finger tight, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool, right,
And
and then wind. You might have to. How you doing, mate? All good to you? Yeah, wind that in. A wee bit quicker.
Right.
Might be easier with a socket.
Okay.
For you.
No idea how to. Yeah, I can't grip it.
If you lay it down like that,
Yeah.
and then try and. Is that moving? Yeah, it should be. Is that?
Okay, so it looks like we got it. We put the bike apart. We're prepping the parts right now to be sent for powder coating, as well, guys, creating space in containers so we can store other parts there until everything's back. The only thing that's left, I think, to do right now, it's to work around this engine so it can be painted. Wow. That's for another day, I can imagine. Okay, fun stuff today with Angelo here. We're going to clean this engine, degrease it, and then mask it. I thought it's gonna be easy, but it's gonna be hard, to be honest, because it's full of grease and dirt and everything. So I hope Angelo's skills.
Well, let's hope for the best. There's a lot of flaking paint and corrosion on it, so we're going to try to prepare this because it's going to paint after, isn't
Yes,
it?
yeah.
Are you painting it?
I don't know. I'm not sure if I can be trusted with things like that, so we'll see.
Definitely.
Come to a bit of a standstill with my work today, so I thought I'd give Eva, I should say, a hand to try and get this engine cleaned and tidied up. It's a bit scabby, so just check this out. So I've degreased it, got all the kind of lumpy corrosion off it. As you can see, it's pretty bad. I've turned the engine upside down using my own little method of balancing things. The hard part really is to do the bottom part. However, it doesn't need to look good, it just needs to be sealed and cleaned up. It still looks pretty bad, but once I've got a layer of a layer of paint on that, it should be fine. I'll do the bottom part and then I'll get Eva to do the top part, which is the important neat part. And as you can see, I've already masked it off to give it a quick dusting. We'll do it in 4 stages, so we'll do this side, bottom, flip it round, and then do the other side, bottom, slash a bit of the sides, and then flip it back up the right way round, and then do the same again. Hopefully it'll look good. So the bottom end's now, bottom side's now done. I think it's looking pretty good, considering. Next, I'm going to flip it over once this is all dry. I'm going to let it cure for 30 minutes to an hour. Flip it over and then do Ever a favour and mask it all up and let her paint the other side of it. So we flipped it. This is the other side. So I've got some degreasing to do and some masking to do, but yeah, watch this space. Alright, so coat 3 is all done. It looks worse on camera than it actually does in real life, so I'm pretty happy with that.
What's up guys, just a quick update. I'm back in Matchbook Custom to finish with the engine here. Matt helped the other day, so that will definitely speed up the process. I have to just clean and paint this part, and that's it.
Travel that way with it.
That's not very nice trim. You did.
Don't
definitely,
obviously,
yeah.
Don't obviously hit it on this face.
Yeah.
If you just right on the corner, on the edge like that.
Okay.
Just, yeah, just get a nice finish. Then you don't want anything on the gasket face, but you don't also want tape on
Sweet.
there.
That looks definitely way better than whatever Matt did here.
Competition. It's not competition, but if it was.
So that's how it looks right now, and I'm pretty sure now will be time to paint it. I'll just double check with Matt if he's happy with that, and we're ready to go. Still drying, but already looks way better.
Yo, so this is the end of the video now, and Ava is not retarded, but she still likes tape. She went a bit mad with all the masking tape and everything. But however, if you look at it, I'm sure she'll show you a decent video of it in a second.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. She's done a pretty good job on the bits that she did spray. So, but yeah, this is the first, is it the first? No, it's not the first. The first part is to strip it. This is the kind of intermediary part where you make something that looks a bit shit look nice again.
So guys, that's all for now. See you on the next one.